Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie and I'll be doing all the crafting. Now you're not seeing my face today because I have been feeling very ill, so I look crazy. But this is what we're going to make today. This is a Kirkland's inspired wooden lantern. And so this is what we'll need: some tumbling towers, some small cubes, a pencil, and regular stuff. So we're going to start by making the base, and basically we're just going to make a X or a cross to make the base. And we're going to do it so that they stand upwards, if that makes sense, not on the flat side but on the thinner side. We're going to put them together that way. And I am using the wood glue, hot glue. Now I have to be honest, one of the pieces did fall off when I was near finishing, so you would probably be better if you use like an E6000 or a SuperGlue or something like that. But this is how I did it, and this is what we're going to stick with. So again, we're just putting the base together here. This is just going to be the base. And you want them to be, as flat and as even as possible. So I've got my little square there, my little Dollar Tree square. And then just measuring, so that's the candle. That candle is not gonna fit no matter what. So you could make this a bit wider, and then you actually could put a larger candle like that in there. Now it is a wooden lantern, so of course you're not gonna actually burn a real candle in this thing. It's more for decoration. And then we're gonna start on the sides. Now the way I wanted the sides to be was kind of a rounded shape, which obviously these wood blocks don't curve, so we're just going to make that curve in the hot glue that we put together here. So you see how it's just a little bit, it's turned in just a little bit. That's how we want the sides to be. And then I'm going to put one flat. So I'm going to do one curved, two flat, one curved. Was that it? I think two flat. I don't know. You'll see in a minute. And I do wish, and probably if I do it again, I would want two straight up and then start the curve. I should have done it that way, but I didn't, so. And so we're just gluing these pieces together, and you're just making this up. So you're just making the curve however you want it. And you can see that they're all relatively even. Some of them look a little more wonky than the others, but make it look as even as possible. And then we're going to put some little feet down at the bottom so that the base is actually sitting up a little higher off the ground. And I'm just going to use those small wood cubes from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to use those. I'm going to glue them onto the sides there. And then we're going to just put one of those cubes down at the very bottom of each of the sides. And they do have to be flush with the bottom, otherwise it is not going to sit right. And we want this to sit, flat, obviously. And then once we've got all the cubes on the bottom of the sides, then we're going to glue the sides to the base. Or vice versa, maybe? I don't know. And as you're gluing these, you can kind of tell, because there will be some sides that maybe look better next to a different side. So you can kind of maneuver it how you're wanting, so that at the top there, you are going to want to have a square at the top there. That's the ending goal. So you see that one was a little twisted, so we do have to move that one a little bit. Okay, and those are all glued on. And then the top looks good. It's got a little square there at the top. Now, at the top, I wanted to just put like a drawer pull or something. I didn't have anything large enough though, so I took one of those Dollar Tree wooden dominoes, and I basically tried to cut it into a circle, which didn't work real well, but that's what I tried to do. And then I'm going to put one of these little, I don't know what these little things are, but these little almost doorknob looking things, I'm going to glue that onto the wooden Dollar Tree domino. And I am using wood glue for all of this. And again, probably super glue would have lasted longer, or E6000, or, you know, Gorilla Glue or whatever. And then I'm just going to glue that little circle onto the very top there. And again, once I did it, I thought, don't know if I like that, but I didn't have a knob that would have worked. Now, here I'm done, and I was deciding to paint. So I had gotten about, what is that, almost halfway up, and I was deciding, do I want to leave part of it neutral, part of it painted, and that is what I went with. I decided to go one more layer up, so you'll see there's 2 layers unpainted, the rest are all in black. I really do like that look, and then the very top is also black. But I'm going to show you as well, if you wanted to leave it all neutral, that looks good as well. So this is before I went back and painted. So if you wanted it to look more of that neutral, just wood, and then maybe you would want to stain it or whatever, you could do it that way as well. Or again, you know, use your colors, use, you know, red, blue, pink, purple, whatever colors you like that fit into your home. Well, that's it for today. I was just trying to make a quick video so you guys could see what's going on around here. Again, I apologize, I'm not feeling well, so it's not a real great video, real long video, but you get a little taste of what's going on around here. So if you would, please go ahead and leave a comment below, subscribe, because I love all you subscribers, as well as give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate you so much for stopping by. Y'all have a great day.